Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. This video is very interesting. Please watch first to last. We are going to know about how can we make hand sanitizer by our own. To make hand sanitizer, we need 2 homeopathic mother tincture, calendula mother tincture and echinacea mother tincture. We need 1 ounce of calendula mother tincture and 1 ounce of echinacea mother tincture. 1 ounce means about 30 milli. Means 30 milli of calendula mother tincture with 30 milli of echinacea mother tincture. That is all. By this, we make the best, effective and cheapest hand sanitizer. Use this when it's time to use hand sanitizer. Takes 5 to 6 drops of these medicines in hand and add 5 to 6 drops of water or some water with that and rub them very well. By this way, you can protect yourself from any bacteria or any virus very well. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.